Hey guys, welcome back to the kitchen with me, Debbie. If you're like me, I love ginger. I put ginger in almost everything I can. The thing about ginger though, when you buy it a lot like I do, it's easy to go bad. So what I'm doing here is almost like a ginger juice that I'm gonna save in the fridge that people can use to make different sort of juice, teas or whatever. So I have this is about the size. I cut them in real chunky. And I have about I would say a cup and a half in here with 5 cups of water. Okay, I'm gonna strain this and I'm gonna store it in the fridge. And this again is gonna be very strong. So when they're making their tea, juice, or whatever, they're not gonna use the entire thing. They're gonna proportion it to water. You can add some lemon juice, or I have a video on here where I make my ginger carrot pineapple juice. Okay. Oops. Oh, I'm making a mess, dear God. Okay. Ginger is so good for so many different things. If you're not feeling good, if you feel like you're coming down with a cold, this with some heat, a little bit of this up, make some tea with it, add a little bit of lemon to it, and I'm telling you, if you start this before you get into the cold, it is sure to make you feel better. So I'm just gonna store it in the fridge just like this, and then I have this little bit left. So what I'm gonna do with it, I'm just gonna barely add any water in, any liquid in there. This is another option you have. Let's I'm gonna put a little of the ground up on here. I probably should have used the magic. It's doing just fine. Okay. Okay, I have this ice tray here, and what I'm going to do is I'm gonna this in like this, and I'm going to freeze it. So when you're ready to use it, you just take a cube out, depending on how large or what you're making to make your tea or your juice or whatever. But in the past, I have wasted money so much on ginger because I like to buy a lot of ginger because, like I say, I love using ginger. I don't get sick, and I believe this is one of the reasons. I use ginger for everything. And you know, all these videos surfacing on social media about us Jamaicans and your kids say they're sick, oh, go make some tea. Well, this is the tea they go to make, is some ginger tea. And they absolutely love it. So you crack on us all you want to. It works. We know what we're doing. So guys, I just wanted to come to you with this quick video on storing your ginger. If you love ginger like I do. And I thank you so much for watching. From my kitchen to yours, from my home to yours. God bless.